Here's the hard truth. Most people think they're doing push-ups right, but in reality, they're actually destroying their progress. If you've been pumping out rep after rep and not seeing results, or worse, feeling aches in your shoulders and wrists, chances are you're making the same mistakes almost everyone makes. Today, I'm breaking down the 3 push-up mistakes that are killing your gains and exactly how to fix them. Mistake 1, the Superman hands spread. First up, the Superman hands. This is when your hands are placed way too far apart, like you're trying to hug the entire planet. Problem? Your chest barely gets any tension. Your shoulders end up carrying the load and you lose power with every rep. The fix. Bring your hands directly under your shoulders. Spread your fingers wide. Grip the ground and imagine you're trying to twist the floor apart. That little adjustment activates your chest fully and locks in a rock-solid foundation. Mistake 2, flared out elbows. Next, the chicken wing elbows. This happens when your elbows shoot straight out to the sides as you lower down. Not only does this wreck your shoulder joints, it also steals strength from your chest and triceps. The fix. Tuck your elbows in at about a 45-degree angle. Think of your arms like arrows pointing back toward your hips as you descend. Now, instead of grinding your shoulders, you'll feel your chest and triceps doing the work they're supposed to. Mistake 3, the sinking midsection. Finally, the sagging plank. You've seen it. Hips dropping, back arching, head poking forward. That's not a push-up. That's a recipe for back pain. The fix. Picture your body as a single, solid board. Brace your abs as if someone's about to punch you in the stomach. Squeeze your glutes tight, tuck your ribs slightly, and keep everything in one straight line. Now every rep trains your chest, arms, and core at the same time. So let's recap. Hands under shoulders, not stretched out wide. Elbows tucked at 45 degrees, not flared. Body locked in like a plank, no sagging. Fix these 3 mistakes and your push-ups will instantly feel stronger, safer, and way more effective. Here's your challenge. Right after this video, drop down and give me 10 perfect push-ups using this form. Feel the difference, then build on it day by day. Because remember, good form doesn't just protect your body. It multiplies your results. Strong form equals strong gains.